Hello friend, welcome back to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. Today we are going to talk about how to get fluency. And that's what I do always, right? I share with you people how to become a fluent English speaker, how to learn this language. Before you get fluency or try to get fluency, you should know what is called fluency. My friend, if you are speaking this language without making mistakes, I mean grammatical mistakes and pronunciation related mistakes, plus if you are not stucking again and again, then that is called fluency. Fluency doesn't mean you should speak very fast way. There is nothing like that. So I hope many of you would be desperate to get fluency. Are you? If yes, so that's good. It should be, right? In us, that urge should be there that I want to get fluency or I should become a fluent English speaker. Then we will do hard work, right? So the thing is that if we want to become a fluent English speaker, then from where we should start? So first thing we should do that we should learn grammar. That I always share with you people. Learn grammar, basic grammar. And many videos are available. You will not make a lot of mistakes. And if you are truly beginner, then it's obvious you will make a lot of mistakes. And other thing that your mind will go blank also. But it's common, it's obvious. As a beginner it happens. You are not, different. We were also going through the same kind of things, but now we have overcome. In your case also, if you are a beginner and you are stucking again and again, or your mind is going blank, you are making a lot of mistakes, don't worry. It will happen for few months or for maybe few months only. Then you will start speaking this language little good way. So many people, they have misconception towards fluency. They think that if they speak very louder and very speed way, so they consider it fluency. But it doesn't mean speaking louder and speed way. It doesn't define that you are a fluent English speaker, okay? So if you want to become a fluent English speaker, work on your grammar, work on your pronunciation, and try to practice every single day. It can make you fluent English speaker. And that's what I do. Earlier I was also confused. I was thinking those who speak this language very fast way, no matter they make mistakes or what, they are fluent English speaker. But I was wrong. And then later on I came to know, no, if we are speaking this language, no matter what is our speed, but we should speak correct English. And how it can be possible? If we don't make grammatical mistakes a lot, and if we don't make pronunciation related mistakes. The thing is that still my pronunciation is not so good. I work on it and I have been trying. I have to work very hard if I want to speak this language very good way. Many people, they rectify my mistake. They say that you made mistake here, like you mispronounced something. And I agree, I make a lot of mistakes. My pronunciation is not up to the mark, and I have been working hard to fix it. So see, if I had thought, okay, my pronunciation is not good, I make a lot of mistakes, and thinking so, if I had stopped learning this language, I may have not reached here. So if you are aware of your mistakes and even you are practicing, that's good. One day you will get fluency. One day you will become a fluent English speaker. If you know your flaws, and then if you are working on them, then definitely you will improve. You will overcome all these kind of mistakes and problem. So what I'm trying to say here, no matter how you are speaking, you just continue just to speak this language every single day. And coming to grammar, many people, they ask me that what should I learn? I would say learn basic grammar. It doesn't take much time, hardly 1 week. After learning grammar, practice it. And then after, work on your pronunciation. Watch videos how you can work on your pronunciation, okay? because I am not expert in these kind of things. I have to also work on my English. I have to also work on my pronunciation, and that's why I cannot guide you. But whatever I know, that's what I share with you people. I am also on my way. I haven't reached. It's never ending process, and there is no ultimate goal also. We will become a better speaker, but we can never ever become a best speaker, right? So the thing is that I am on my way and I'm trying to get fluency, and I will keep trying. It's a never ending process, I told you, right? So this is the thing. If you are a beginner and you are stucking again and again, don't be disappointed, because it happens. You are not alone. These things are not happening only with you. Whosoever speak this language very fluently now in front of you, they also went through the same kind of situation, so they are not different from you. I mean, if you take example of me, so I also had to struggle a lot. I used to stuck, my mind used to go blank, and I could not speak or utter even a single sentence without making mistakes. I was that kind of girl. But now I make, I think, very less mistakes, and not very less, even I make a lot of mistakes, I know. But yeah, I have been working. But it doesn't mean that I will stop learning this language. Nothing can stop me. I know I'm making a lot of mistakes. I know I have to work very hard. But I know one thing also, that my English is improving. So in your case also, if you are stucking, if you make a lot of mistakes, or you have just started learning English language, don't be disappointed for anything. Work hard. Every single day practice. Okay? The thing is that if you speak this language or listen or learn grammar or talk to people every single day, these all things will make you fluent. And it's okay to know about our mistakes and all, but many people, if they know about their mistakes, they get disappointed. They think, okay, I will not learn this language, or it's not a cup of tea, or I cannot handle it because I'm making a lot of mistakes no matter how hard I'm working on this language. So don't be this kind of person who get disappointed very soon. Just work hard, and I believe in you that you will definitely become a fluent English speaker. Fluency will follow you if you work hard. I mean, if you practice every single day, if you learn grammar and read books and listen every single day and try to talk to people, then you don't have to search fluency. You don't have to go the place where fluency is. Fluency will come to you, okay? Because that's what I have found. When we work hard, when we practice a lot, so things comes to us. Anything. It could be success or fluency. So fluency is also our goal. Or if we start speaking this language fluently, we'll also consider ourselves that we are successful in terms of learning a language, right? So I hope we will soon become a fluent English speaker. Not only you, I am also with you learning this language. I'm not a tutor. I mean, I never ever consider myself that I'm a master in this language, or I have got mastery in this language. I am just a learner, and I'm just showing the path. I mean, I'm just sharing my experience. I'm also on the way, okay? So don't get disappointed if you are making mistakes and all. You will definitely get fluency if you are hardworking, if you are committed, if you are practicing every single day. So this is what I wanted to share with you people. I hope you like my video, or my video is a little bit helpful for you people. If it is, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.